English Standard 8 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat. Students, you might have heard about famous personalities in different fields such as scientists, astronauts, etc. If you study their biography, their life was not full of all facilities. They faced many hardships. In spite of their hardship, they achieved great success by their hard work, strong willpower, and optimism to life. They are example for youngsters to look at life positively. They inspire the youth. Some famous personalities are Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Abraham Lincoln, Kalpana Chawla, etc. This Rags to Riches story is based on English folklore. It tells us about the rise of Dick Whittington from a poverty-stricken childhood to the post of Mayor of London. It's an inspiring story and a strong message to convey. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. You know, England means Britain. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. Means villagers did not give him proper treatment. One day, Dick overheard, he was hearing someone's voice. Someone say that the streets of London were paved. Paved means what? Covered with gold. And he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the streets. For he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich. Means he wanted to search his fortune in London. He decided to go to London. So, young Dick set out to walk to London. He started the journey to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. Means the man stopped who was in a cart and asked him if he was running away from a home. At that time, Dick answered. What did he say? I have no home. Dick answered, I am on my way to London to find my future fortune. Fortune means chance or good luck. I am going to London myself, said the carter. Jump up here beside me and we will journey together. So, he sat in the cart and they started their journey. Afterwards, what happened? Let us see. They arrived in London just before nightfall. Means before night, they arrived in London and the carter left. The carter means what? Who was driving the cart, and made his way to an inn.